One thing we have a lot of in Mozambique are coconuts. I was looking for a way to recycle them. I stumbled upon these beautiful coconut balls and decided to give it a try. The first thing you need to do is opening your coconut, get out all the meat and clean it out. Here in Mozambique we use fresh coconut for cooking, so we have specific scraper thingies to kind of scrape out the meat. Find yourself a quiet place, some sandpaper and sit down and start smoothing the whole thing out. This will take a while depending on the size of your coconut and how smooth you want it. Remember to not only smooth out the outside but also the inside. When you feel like it's smooth enough for you to eat out of the bowl, wash it and then leave it to dry. Since we use the bowl for food, we kind of want to seal it up a little bit. I'll use coconut oil, but you could use any other vegetable oil of your choice. Brush the coconut with the oil, leave it to dry, and repeat the whole process a couple of times. Leave it to sit overnight. The next morning I decided to make a green smoothie bowl. You can use any fruit of your choice. I just used what's in season right now. Pineapple, avocado, frozen banana and maracuja. To top everything I use sesame seeds, chia seeds, linseeds and goji berries. I also decided to add some spirulina powder for the green color and to give it an extra health boost. Put everything in your blender and mix it up.
Thank you, girl, for making the morning brighter, girl, for making the nighttime nicer, girl, for making a better.
Decorate it the way you like, sit down and enjoy your new bowl.
Something unknown
And don't forget to take a picture.